when I said noob and haven't done this in a while, I really haven't done this in a while, and just go with it. Just bear with me. Been going through a lot lately. It's like that year or something that just blah. But sneak peek on the next video. The next video, we all love this bag. We all love it. We all love it. We all love it. Ta-da! What is it? Oh my gosh. A black Sydney. I've been wanting a black Sydney since I bought my navy one. So check out the video. Woo! Can't wait to unbox this one. I made a mess. The floor is covered in tissue paper. And all the strap pieces from a bag. And the garage door is opening, so all the bags are lying on the floor. When you put them in all one place, really puts it in context of how many bags I have. So I was like, husband's coming, hurry, hide the evidence. So it's like scrambling to pick up all the pieces and put it in the closet and trash, and we're only talking about this bag. Oh my gosh, comment down below if you're that person. I know, I read the comment on the blogs and the Facebooks and the things about like, I gotta get the box at the door before hubby sees it about another bag. I am so that person. So, yay, let me know if you are too. And I'm not alone in this, I know that. So comment down below, let me know, because if you got any tricks and trade, secrets, please share, because it's kind of funny, but not really. But yes, but this one, I totally scored. I did not pay $180 for that. Which is, oh my gosh, if you did, I'm sorry. And if you want to pay less, I really recommend you pay attention to the discount codes, the sales, the percentages off. They do a really good job at marketing those sales. And you can get text messages, which if you don't want to buy more bags, don't do it. Just don't even look, because when they come on my phone, I'm like, ooh, and I'm like, I gotta check, I just gotta check, 43 bucks. I can handle that. I can handle $43. I'm so excited. I got this in gold. I love it. It is gold hardware. I love black and gold. I really want a rose gold in black. Just throwing it out there for all of the bag people that pay attention. I want a font design in black and rose gold. I want a Nazaria bag in black and rose gold. I would take another one of these in black and rose gold. So just throwing that out there for anybody who was like, hey, yeah, me too. Comment down below. Maybe we can start a, hey, I want this. Please make it. Thank you in advance. Yay. All right. So yes, this one. Oh my gosh, do you love it? Okay, so we all know the style of this. I think they're all on point with like the speedy version of the Louis Vuitton bag. But this one in particular, I really like, since I have multiple, I gravitate back towards this, but I love the design on it. So I didn't want to get the standard black. I wanted something different. So I love this. I love the simple. I've stuck with the Sydney Satchel and I haven't migrated to the Rachel because the straps are the same color as the bag and I don't like two-tone. So I've stayed away from the Rachel bag just because of that. And then you see the gold hardware. This is the front actually. Do you love it? Front, whoa, it has the two tassel strap zippers right here. On the opposite side, we have a slip pocket so I can stick my phone in there, and let's show you, maybe. When it's super full, it feels like it's hard to do. But okay, so there you see, this is the 12 Pro Max iPhone. It fits pretty good. I feel like it fits better when it's not packed to the brim. There you have it. Here's the tag. Do you love it? Do you love it? I love it. I think I like it more too because there's no logo on here at all. There's no logo. Wow. I like it. I like, oh, no, I take that back. I found it. I figured it had to be somewhere. So I like this. It's different. It's on the side. It doesn't mess up the design. So it's only on one side too. Wow, fascinating. So, oh my gosh, it has feet. It has feet. Dude, it totally has feet. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, look how shiny those are. Ooh. Oh, but do you like it? Okay, so let's look at the inside of the bag. Check it out. We'll try it on. Oh my gosh. Yay. So, wow, do you love it? So pretty. I am obsessed with this. I love it. That has a little wrinkle in it, but you get the tassels to use the zipper. Here's the detailed intricate stitch pattern. You have the straps that are reinforced. I usually love carrying it like this, but there are times when we go shopping and I will carry it crossbody. So I have mentioned this before on some of the other bags. I don't necessarily like the buckle ones because I'm so long, or sometimes I want it shorter, but on this one I have it at the very end. I love how the zipper goes all the way down to here. I love the little detail right there. The gold, it looks really good with the black. This would probably also look really good on black, but I didn't see that option. And then on the other side, the same zipper feature, super shiny gold, and then it matches well with the Fossil logo. I love how simple this is and minimal, and I love that it's here and not somewhere messing up the pattern. There are options to take the strap off, the gold hardware. Again, the grab handles are the perfect height for me. I love grabbing these, so I carry it a lot in that regard. And this strap is simple enough. I can carry it without, I can carry it inside the bag. Okay, here we go. Look at, see what I mean when I said it's fully packed. It is like packed for structure. So let's take all this out. Wow, we aren't kidding about the mass amount of paper that I had on the floor. Have to be smart and pay attention. You can tell that I didn't buy one bag, but whatever. Okay, let's do this. How are we doing this? Ready? It is gorgeous. Do you love it? Oh, look at how gorgeous it is. Oh, and I like, oh, that's just simple. Okay, so check it out. Whoa, I did not expect that. I did not expect that at all. Wow, it's brown inside. Usually I get so offended. I hate color. I hate when the bags are a different color inside, and I don't know why, but I really like it. It's not blue. It's not dark. You could totally see in there. You can see the two pockets on the side. So these fabric gussets prevent the bag from completely tipping all the way out, but you can definitely expand it. It does feel tighter than my brown bag or my navy one. It does feel like the dimensions are a little bit different, where it's more pieced together tighter, but I don't think I needed. That was one thing I kind of worried about with those other bags, is it opened so much, and maybe just wear and use created that. But whoa, you can see in that bag, you can definitely see. Wow, check out that inside. That is beautiful color. It's like they're using the cool colors with the warm colors, and then they opted for a warm inside to match with the gold. I think it actually is done really well. I like it a lot. Oh my gosh, my newest favorite bag. I am completely and absolutely in love with this. This is probably the best. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Yikes. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try her on. Oh my god. Do you love her? Do you love her? Oh my gosh, I love it. I am totally in love with this. Uh-oh. What? I didn't even need to buy all those other bags. I love this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here is the zip feature of this bag. It's black. Zipper was so smooth. Oh, I could do that one-handed. Oh, yes. Okay. And then crossbody. Throw it over my body. Now I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get my coffee. Shh. What? Oh, you know, and I might actually want to use this with the other bag. So I could have my purse and then my tote or my backpack. There's a few backpacks that I love, I still use, but I do need a quick grab backpack bag. Should we put stuff in it? Oh my gosh, you want to see what goes in it? Let's see. Okay. Let's see, hold on. I'm gonna grab some stuff out of one of the bags. We need to do a video on this bag anyways, because I've been using it, and wow. The Fawn design bag, this is what I'm currently using, but I can grab what's in there, because this is pretty much what I carry when I'm grabbing those. So I'm literally on the fly pulling this stuff out. I don't think there's anything in that pocket. So that's all I really have in this bag. So it works pretty good when I'm dropping the kids off for school or in a hurry. I did also buy this little feature to go with it. So we'll have to try that too, because this was pretty cool. We'll do a video on this bag. But here's all my stuff. Like, really, that's it. So here you go. I have a Juicy wallet, so I could put that in there. I have this. I have, of course, my Harry Potter mask. It's black, yeah, I know. And then the wipes. I always carry these everywhere I go. If you watch my videos, you know I have them in every bag. So sometimes they leak. And then my bag's all wet. And my new house key. Ta-da! Check this out. So this is super cute. I got it at Fawn Design on their Black Friday sale. And ta-da! It goes with the other bag, but it holds my earbuds. I needed something. I have a Jujubee one that I love because it holds it with the elastic, but I wanted something black that I could just tag onto the bag or slip into the bag that wasn't round. So the Fossil Sydney tote has a fob or like a keychain. This one does not. That is the one thing that I don't like about this bag. The one thing that using this bag previously in a different color, I hated that it didn't have a key leash. I mean, that's so simple. All right, there you have it. I have all my weird in there. Oh, I hear them. I hear them. Okay, so final ta-das. Do you love it? It's packed right now, so you can see that it's not droopy. But oh my gosh, I am so in love with this bag. Anyways, I'm Jenna Neal. This is my channel. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you had fun. I hope you like the bag. If you don't like the bag, whatever, that's cool too. Thanks for hanging out anyways. Comment down below if you have one of these. I know some of you that follow me or some of you who stumbled on my channel have mentioned you were looking to get one. I hope you scored, but I highly recommend this color, the black with the gold, so beautiful, or the brown. Check out my brown bag video with the satchel, Sydney Satchel. I love the brown one too. I also have it. It's also another one I won't get rid of. So thank you for hanging out with me. I hope that I continue and want to do videos, and I used to post every Wednesday. I'm still gonna work towards that coming in the new year, but I'm really trying to balance life, family, stress, work, and creative all together. So that takes up a lot of time. So it's like a balancing act that I just need to be better about taking care of myself and making time for myself, because I wasn't doing that, and I think I just poof, exploded. So thank you for watching. Perfect timing. I think Hubby's home. Oh my gosh, check it out. I hope you love this. I am obsessed at the moment. Completely and absolutely, utterly obsessed.